So dear students, now I am going to solve some problems. What is the first one? Integral of e power x minus 1 by x plus 2 by root of x square minus 1 dx. So what is given? Integral of e power x minus 1 by x plus 2 into 1 by root of x square minus 1 dx. So this is equal to, what is the formula of integral of e power x dx? E power x. So minus, what is the formula of integral of 1 by x dx? Log of modulus of x bc plus 2 into integral of 1 by root of x square minus 1 dx on this interval, that is, so log of modulus of x plus root of x square minus 1 to the base c plus constant. Okay, so what is the formula integral of e power x? E power x minus integral of 1 by x dx is log modulus of x plus 2 into integral of 1 by root of x square minus 1 on this interval, that is log of modulus of x plus root of x square minus 1 to the base c plus constant. Now what is 1? So integral of e to the power of log of 1 plus tan square x base c dx on this interval. Now I am going to use the very simple one, e power log f of x base c is equal to f of x. So similarly, a to the power of log f of x base a also is equal to f of x. So now integral of e power log of, so 1 plus tan square x to the base c dx. So this is equal to integral of, by this formula, what is f of x here? 1 plus tan square x. So that's equal to 1 plus tan square x. So 1 plus tan square x is equal to secant square x. That's equal to integral of secant square x dx. Very standard formula. Integral of secant square x dx is tan x. Okay. So here used formula e power log f of x base is f of x, and integral of secant square x dx is tan x. Now what is the third one? Integral of sin square x by 1 plus cos 2x. This is how we form 1 plus cos 2a. So I am going to use the formula 1 plus cos 2a. So 1 plus cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a, and so 1 plus, so tan square a is equal to secant square a. Now what is given? So integral of sin square x by 1 plus cos 2x dx. This is equal to integral of sin square x by this formula. Okay, so what we can write? 1 plus cos 2a is 2 cos square a. 1 plus cos 2x is 2 into cos square x into dx. That's equal to 1 by 2 into integral of sin square x by cos square x is tan square x. So tan square x dx. This is equal to 1 by 2 into integral of, so 1 plus tan square a is secant square a. Tan square a is secant square a minus 1. So tan square x can be written as secant square x minus 1 into dx. So this is equal to 1 by 2 into integral of secant square x dx. Formula is tan x minus integral of 1 dx is x plus constant. So here 1 plus cos 2a formula is 2 cos square a. So 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. Integral of 1 by 2 into sin square x by cos square x, that is tan square x. 1 by 2 into tan square x is secant square x minus 1 dx. Integral of secant square x is tan x minus integral 1 dx is x. Now, what is the other one? Integral of secant square x into cosecant square x dx is an important one. So secant square x into cosecant square x. This is equal to secant square x is 1 by cos square x into 1 by sin square x. So that is 1 into 1 is 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay. So sin square x plus cos square x is also is equal to 1. So 1 is replaced by sin square x plus cos square x. Because sin square x plus cos square x value is 1 by cos square x into sin square x. Okay. This one is written as sin square x plus cos square x. This is equal to 1 by, so sin square x by cos square x into sin square x plus, so cos square x by cos square x into sin square x. Here sin square x gets cancelled. Here cos square x gets cancelled. 1 by cos square x, that is secant square x. The 1 by sin square x is cosecant square x. So now integral of secant square x into, so cosecant square x dx, this is equal to integral of secant square x plus cosecant square x dx. Integral of secant square x is the tan x plus integral of cosecant square x is minus cot x plus constant. So what will get? Tan x minus cot x. Tan x minus cot x. Just we have split this one. So 1 by sin square x is 1 by cos square x is secant square x, 1 by sin square x is cosecant square x. Integral of secant square x is tan x. Integral of cosecant square x is equal to minus cot x. This is equal to tan x minus cot x plus constant. Next one. Integral of a power x minus b power x whole square by a power x into b power x. Now, so a power x minus b power x whole square, this is equal to, this are the form a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, that is, so a power x whole square plus b power x whole square minus 2 into a power x into b power x. So this is equal to a to the power of 2x plus b to the power of 2x minus 2 into a power x into b power x. So now a power x minus, so b power x whole square by, so a power x into b power x. This is equal to, this is a to the power of 2x can be written as a power x into a power x by, so a power x into b power x plus b power 2x can be written as b power x into b power x by, here this is, so a power x by b power x into b power x by a power x into b power x minus 2 into a power x into b power x by a power x into b power x. Here, so a power x gets cancelled. Here, b power x gets cancelled. Here, both the term gets cancelled. A power x by b power x, that is, so a by b whole to the power of x. B power x by a power x is b by a whole to the power of x minus 2. Now we integrate this function. Now integral of So a power x minus b power x whole square by a power x into b power x dx. So this is equal to integral of a by b whole power x dx plus integral of the b by a whole power x dx minus 2 into integral of minus 2 into integral of 1 dx. Now, so integral of so a power x dx is equal to a power x by log a plus c, log a by c. Okay, so here a is greater than 0 and a is not equal to 1. What is the formula of integral of a power x dx? A power x by log a. Now, using this formula, so what will get? Integral of a by b whole to the power of x is what? So a by b whole to the power of x by log of a by b plus applying same formula, integral of a by a whole to the power of x. So that is b by a whole to the power of x by log of b by a minus 2 into integral of 1 dx is x plus constant. Okay. Now in next class, so I'm going to solve some more problems. Thank you.